Work hard, be kind, amazing things will happen. Hi there, this is Abdul Hamid. Today I'm super excited because in this video I'll try to share some tricks. By using or by practicing these tricks, you will be fluent speaker in future. Here I say in future. So learning English not a short process, it's a long process. Sometimes we go to the local market and we notice learn English with 7 days or learn English with 13 days. On point of my view, it's a counterfeit and bogus. Without 7 days, it's totally impossible to become a fluent speaker. If you want to be a fluent speaker, you go through the some process. You need a huge practices with another person, and it can be the shadow practicing or one-to-one practicing. So in this video, I'll share some effective tricks and it will help you to become a fluent speaker. Please stay with me. First one, daily conversation practice. You can engage yourself in daily conversation practice. You make a partner to speak English. He or she can be your father, mother and teacher. Always try to speak English and always try to think in English. Suppose if you don't find any speaking partner, you go through the other process. You stand in front of the mirror or you stand in front of the tree and try to think it's the speaking partner, and continuously you will be practice with your mirror or the trees, and it will be effective for yourself, and no need to practice with the native speaker, because English is not our first language, it's the second language, so we can't speak as like the native speaker. So no need to select your speaking partner with the native speaker. But when we will be fluent, we can go through practice with the native speaker, and this will really helpful for yourself to become fluent speaker. Second one, vocabulary building. Every day we learn huge vocabulary, but we forget again and again. What's the problem? This problem is when we learn vocabulary, we don't use in the practical level. That's why we forget again and again. When we learn vocabulary, we try to use this vocabulary in our speaking level, in our root level. When we make a partner, we can speak English with this vocabulary which we learned yesterday or today. Third one, listening and mimicking. Listen to the native speaker through podcasts, movies and any other audio resources, because there are a lot of audio resources which are available in YouTube platform. If you want to take help from app, it will be available in Play Store or the iStore also. Why? Listening and mimicking is important in spoken. I want to give an example. When we are the child, we don't know to speak in Bangla. On that time, our father, mother and any other relative person try to speak in front of us, and on that time we are hearing. They say to us, Baba, Papa, Mama, Kaka. And when we are able to listening again and again, one day we called Papa, Mama. That's why listening and mimicking is very important to become a fluent speaker. It can be Chinese, English and Bangla, all over all the languages also. So try to listening and try to mimicking. Fourth and last one, record your video or speaking level in your mobile phone. On my personal view, it's really helpful to become a fluent speaker. That's why by using these tricks, I'm making video in front of you, and some people are notice me and some people say me, how can you speak English within 4 minutes or the 5 minutes? I can speak English with the 10 minutes or the 11 minutes also. I use these tricks. Suppose when you want to be a fluent speaker or you want to get job in international NGO and you want to improve your communication skills, you need to speak English fluently. I request you to follow these tricks. Record your speaking in your mobile phone. On the time you raise a question, I'm not good at English and I'm not able to speak English fluently, or I am not to speak English as like the native speaker, no need to upload this video in your any platform. Suppose no need to upload this video in YouTube platform or the Facebook platform. You are speaking and you are struggling, and you also try to make video every day. When you go through the 1 month practice, try to compare last video and the first video, and you can notice huge difference between this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you again with another video.